Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizza Maula. I'm from to the management class. Now I will retell about the effect of uh, UMKM development Ketemlipir during the COVID-19 pandemic. Uh, the COVID-19 pandemic was first discovered in Indonesia since March 2. On April COVID-19 began to spread widely throughout the province in Indonesia, uh, including Kudus, Central Java. Efforts to prevent COVID-19 have begun to be published to the public in order to contain the spread to COVID-19. There are at least three ways to prevent COVID-19, namely wearing masks, diligently washing hands, and maintaining social distance, with the aim of the government making a PSBB or large-scale social restriction program so that people cannot move freely to the COVID-19 outbreak. With the emergence of COVID-19, the impact on the community in the macro and micro circle began to be troubling among traders because the most significant impact of the pandemic uh, occurred in the MSME sector, which was to the limited horse store for MSME, which made most traders start to lose money, and then a lot of merchandise did not sell well. One one of which was the only food and beverage MSME. Uh, MSME entrepreneur began to feel the decline in sales and lack of capital. In Indonesia, the role of MSME is very rapid in order to expand employment opportunities, especially MSME in Kudus. Uh, During the pandemic, also experienced an impact which caused a decrease in sales turnover due to restriction on operating hours to open. In addition to restriction on operating hours, the government also recommended takeaway if you want to buy food or drink, with the aim of cutting the chance of the COVID-19 virus. This is a taboo in the pandemic era because the Melipir Coffee is basically used as place to hang out or gathering, and a place to find inspiration, especially among young people and students. COVID-19 is very uh, detrimental in all fields, not only in the health sector. This virus is also detrimental to the world economy, especially in Indonesia. It's so because the economic is very slow, especially for MSME, many times limit to government regulation. Uh, Operation management of Kedai Melipir. Uh, Operation management is a science that can be applied to various types of business field, especially coffee shop business. Operation management is concerned with the production of goods and service. The abundance of goods and service is caused by the supervision of the operation manager. Operation manager not only work in the manufacturing industry, but also work in the service industry. The operation manager is responsible for producing goods or service within group. Just uh, just as MSME can develop when operation management is managed properly. It means that operation management has an effect of the MSME. If operation management is not always implemented, it is very likely that sales will uh, shrink, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, where there is a lot of pressure to sell and there are many trade competitors, especially in the coffee shop sector, such as the Melipir Coffee Shop. At the shop, operational management has been implemented quite well and correctly. One thing that stands out is the existence of a planning budget for the shop. Although not big, the shop already has plans for the future. Operation managers should make operation management plans and sales target in order to achieve the object correctly. The planning and in, insured by the shop uh, are not uh, followed by receipts that are commensurate with the level of capital expenditures, especially with the selling price of the food and drinks which is cheap. Uh, the percentage of profit obtained is not as much as the price of other goods. For example, the selling price of furniture. At the Melipir Coffee, at least they have produced around uh, 90,000 serving since September. This data includes coffee, non-coffee, and snacks they sell. Sales uh, have been declining lately. There are several factors that cause it. MSME are indeed a very hard business because of unexpected sales result. Moreover, such as MSME coffee shop that have a lot of business competition. Kedai Melipir is located on uh, M. Subhan Street number 23, where along the road there are several famous coffee shops in Kudus, Central Java itself. In addition, um, in addition to very tight business competition, there are other factors the effect of the sales result of the Melipir coffee, where there must obey the government with the PPKM rules that is implements with the PPKM from the government. Shop operating costs uh, must also be cut. For repair coffee, they usually close at 12 p.m. since the PPKM must inevitable close at the 9 p.m. Kedai melipir or melipir coffee is an MSME that does not purely produce from raw material. The shop also needs the help of other MSME to help facilitate production. For example, MSME which are instrumental in progressing raw coffee beans into coffee shop that are ready to be produced in every coffee shop. Roastery is very important for a coffee shop. There are also raw material obtained from factories such as raw materials such as milk syrup, and others. Kedai melipir or melipir coffee at least spend a monthly fee of at least uh, 2 million for monthly capital costs and operating costs such as electricity, Wi-Fi, and etc. There are several processes needed to convert raw material into product coffee. Number one, weighing of raw material. This can be coffee or powder for non-coffee making. Number two, grinding coffee using a grinder. Number three, to make espresso, the tool used to make espresso uh, at the Melipir shop is the rock presso, because basically the Melipir shop use the kedai manual brewing, which means a shop that's use manual process and minimize tool that use electric. Number four, after that, combine to milk or water in the cup. Next, this finishing process can be called pressing the ready cup, the tool used in capsular, or can be by glass. Marketing management in kedai melipir or melipir coffee. Marketing management is an effort to plan, implement, and supervise or control marketing activities within an organization in order to produce organizational goals in kedai melipir. Opportunity to seize the market and how big the threats must be faced by MSME. Marketing management is very important to apply to MSME, including repair shop as well, because MSME uh, without good and correct marketing management will not develop forward. MSME is a business that can be said to be a business that was started from scratch. One example of marketing management is that we can make product packaging attractive. Kedai Melipir use cup packaging for the good itself or drink. By making attractive packaging that can make consumer interested in what is product. Kedai Melipir does not the service of craftsmen to design packaging of uh, to wrap it. With this, they can reduce the cost incurred to make or design packaging their packaging cup. Product packaging can be said to be good if it is acceptable to everyone, because sometimes there are people who want to by product seen from the product packaging. For example, parents are usually less interested in flashy packaging. For the marketing media itself, usually Academy use social media to promote its product, especially Instagram, because the media is quite broad in reach and more effective in marketing. Purchase at the Academy Fair are direct or kedai Flipper Coffee does not use reseller to sell their product. If we want to buy the product, we can go directly to the house of one of the owners. The Flipper Coffee is located at the M Subhan Street, number 23, which is located in on the east side the road. But there are several options to buy their food and beverage product. For example, we can use the service Grab or GoFood when you can live at the house or are busy. Especially like yesterday when there are PPKM. For payment when buying or kedai repair product, there are several options to pay to for them. For example, using cash or a money that can be provided by curious there. Example, Dana. Pricing strategies are also very important for an MSME engaged in the coffee shop, considering the very tight business competition. The selling price game is very important. Like a daily beer, the price there are quite affordable. For each cup, there is average price is of uh, mm, 10,000 with a percentage of 60% APP and 40% profit. The price has been actioned upon by all the owners there. Next, uh, human resource in MSME are very important because in the absence of human resource, they will not be able to. Human resource can be interpreted as energy to realize the goals of the organization of or business that has been carried out. At the academic fair, is there are several human resources to help realize this goal, and they are three owners who directly so everything in the American coffee is directly controlled by the owner without any interference from others. The three owners were burned by accident. At, at first, they hung out with other coffee shop. Then, over time, the exchange ideas, especially in the coffee world. Then is Snipper Coffee and was released. With not much capital, they built this shop coffee. For the problem of salary, they are they pay themselves fairly, divided by uh, 30%, 30%, 30%, and 10% custom repair shop cash. But for the next few years, external human resources are needed given the business of each owner. But for the near term, this is still not needed. Uh, Development MSME cannot be removed from Indonesian sociality because it plays an important role in terms of financial income of the community. Besides that, it can make the Indonesia people to become creative people. In addition, MSME can help economic development in Indonesia and contributed to helping people who are not working because usually MSME can absorb people who are still unemployed. The point is that is in business there must be development plan for the business to grow. Uh, the Kedemlipir has a development plan for the next one uh, 1 to 2 years. For example, I will renovate this shop to be more proper. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.